Are you ready for a 5-minute Pilates to energize your day? Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapy. This video will be doing a 5-minute simple and sweet Pilates so you feel strong, energized for the day. Okay, friends, we're gonna slowly lie down, slowly one vertebrae at a time. Take a deep breath, engage your core muscles, and blow. So the first exercise is we're gonna do double tabletop. So you're gonna bend your knees first in the tabletop position. Take a deep breath through your nose, lift your arm up and reach. 1, and slowly go down and blow. Keeping in a double tabletop. 2. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in. Take a deep breath and slowly open while you're lifting. Inhale and lift. Heels together, Pilates Stance. Double tabletop, open, close, and lift. 2. Everything is 5 repetitions to cover a lot of things in 5 minutes. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath. Lift, double tabletop, last one. Take a deep breath, feel the burn on your core, and 5, and blow and down. Single leg stretch your knee to chest, hold on your ankle, take a deep breath and kick and alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, and 5, and stretch your right leg. Keep your knee straight, lower your leg, keeping it off the mat. Take a deep breath and alternate. 1. Keep your shoulders up, engage your core. 2. Belly button in. 3. Feel the stretch. 1, 2. 1, 4. Quick stretch. 1, 2, 5. Last set and up. And from this position, both legs up, hands down, and gentle circle. Take a deep breath like a size of a small dish. 2. Belly button in. 3, 4. Engage your core. And 5. And then reverse. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Belly button in. 2, 3, 4. Last one, and 5. Lift your arms up, take a deep breath and separate your feet apart and your hands out. Take a deep breath through your nose, hold it, and back to the center. 2. Belly button in. 3. Inhale. 4. Last one. 5. And open. Hold it there. And then reach over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back, down, and blow. Hug your knees to your chest. Take a deep breath through. We're gonna do Pilates Stance. Take a deep breath, belly button in, and double knee bend. Hug your knees with your hand like a swimming, like a breaststroke. Take a deep breath, kick, and hug. 2. Belly button in, kick up, Pilates Stance. 3. Lift. 4. Last one. And 5. And hold it there. And then reach for 5, 4 in the Pilates Stance. 3, 2, last one, and 1. And now we're gonna cool down now with this gentle bridging. Lift, bridge up, belly button in, engage your core, squeeze your glutes as high as you can, and slowly go down and blow. Overhead with your arms. Take a deep breath and lift and down. 2. Slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time. Take a deep breath, lift, and then slowly go down overhead and blow. Inhale through your nose, belly button in, and down, blow. 5. Inhale. Last one. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And now we're gonna stretch to cool down. Piriformis stretch, figure 4. Push your knee out, take a deep breath through your nose to feel this lovely release of spasm and tightness throughout the night as you wake up today, ready to go to work. And slowly lift your knees towards you. Feel that stretch. Take a deep breath and blow down. Then now your right side. Push it out. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Hug. And blow. And now we're going to do some stretching out. Take a deep and close. And pull it back a little bit. And slowly down one vertebrae at a time. And that's it. I'm hoping you feel energized to face the day, even just for a 5-minute Pilates. Please like and subscribe my channel, ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. I upload videos every Wednesdays, Fridays, Sundays, and sometimes Mondays for Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. You can follow me on my social media on my Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and if you wish to donate to my channel to create better videos, I have a Patreon account that you can follow on down the link below. Thanks again for watching. Have a great and healthier you. Bye!